2016 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Plug-in. No start. Key in ignition. No ready light on. Stop safely light on. Triangle wrench. Vehicle not starting. Multiple codes. I got DTCs for train control module, lost communication. Hybrid powertrain control module, engine disabled, no start. And I got ignition switch on, start position. This particular code for P1A0C, I got no diagnostic information on this particular code from Ford, and I got some in Mitchell, but nothing from Ford. But no start, which also got this code, ignition switch on, position, start position circuit, and lost communication with restraint control module. I did a network test, all network pass, including the secondary OBD MC module passes, the RCM passes. So let's see what I got here.